Hello, that's Caroline from Prodi. I would like to show you quickly what you can find inside of our Excel template. So as you can see, you have some sheets here. The first sheet is the main information about the instruction, what you have to make to see the data and see the analysis. So please check it. After that, we have work history. So you paste the whole information from the Prodia, from the work history. Later, we have machine analysis. So here, instruction is really simple because you have to choose from the list of machines, this one which is the most interesting and you would like to take some data out. And here the first table shows monthly analysis of machine operation, time completed in hours, estimated time according to the norm, and the last column shows how employees achieved this norm. And here is a chart. Down there you see the weekly analysis of machine operation, so the same as here, but not during the month but during the week. Time completed, estimated time according to the norms, efficiency, and some chart. Next sheet is a worker analysis. So you can analyze your worker monthly and weekly. So again, you choose from the list some employee and you see hourly, the time completed on the tasks, and estimated time according to the norms, and efficiency, and the chart. And down there is a weekly worker analysis. Next sheet is a product analysis, and here you gain the whole knowledge about your products. And again, you have to choose the product, and the first table shows machine operations for the product. You see number of pieces from operation, average efficiency, time completed, estimated time according to the norm, efficiency, and if somewhere uh, your performance is low, you can easily see where your time was running out, right? So on which operation, which employee, etc. Here you have the information about the workers who made your product. Here is again workers and efficiency according to the to this exact product, specific one, and you here some summarize. Later we have a single order, so you can analyze your specific order. Again, you choose order number from the list and you see completed time, estimated time according to the norms, efficiency, how many pieces, and cost of man-hour machines. Okay. Um, Here you have the analysis for machines operation regarding to the exact specific order number, and here you have workers, so you can check it. Next sheet is occupancy, machines and operation. So here is the history, okay, and here you have weekly occupancies according to the data which you pasted. Okay, here is the information about all orders. You have external order number, time completed total, um, times comparison, number of pieces, number of clicks, worker costs, operation costs, total costs, etc., and the chart. And more or less that's it. If you will have any questions, just let us know on our chat. We will be really happy and glad to assist you. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.